It is a beautiful morning out here on the property. The sun is shining, and the only thing that you can hear are the birds. But that's not going to last because today the clearing begins. So, our goal here is not to take out trees just for the sake of the timber, but we do have to clear the drain field for our septic system and also our home site. And I would like to also clear a reasonable space around the house that if we were to have a storm or a lot of wind, if a tree were to go down, it wouldn't actually hit the house. So it's actually a bigger area than I think I originally anticipated us clearing. So today you'll notice the logger that we're working with, he's going to be taking down some trees and cutting them into 8-foot sections and carrying them down the hill. And he's really just getting started. So next week, he plans to do a lot more work, and we will bring you guys along to see some of that as well. So for now, enjoy.
Here it goes. Here it goes.